Hi there, my name is Adhithyan.C. Today I'll be talking about Hertzberg's motivation theory. So basically, motivation plays a huge role in how employees perform and stay engaged. Hertzberg introduced this idea that satisfaction and dissatisfaction comes from different factors. In this presentation, I'll explain the theory, discuss its strengths and limitations, and also connect to a real life example. So let's move on to the next slide. So Hertzberg's divided workplace into two parts. First, motivators, achievements, recognition, and responsibility, which actually increase job satisfaction. These hygiene factors like salary, company policies, and work conditions, which do not motivate employees but can cause dissatisfaction if they are poor. He also introduced job enrichment, which means employs more meaningful work and has a greater responsibility. And next slide is about importance of motivation. Motivation is really important in any organization, as we can see. When employees are more motivated, they are productive, more engaged, and more commitment to the work. One important idea is intrinsic motivation, where people work because they find the work meaningful, not just for the money, the sake of money. This shows the organizations should focus not only on financial rewards, but also on making work more meaningful. So the next slide four, the strengths of the Hertzberg's theory. One major strength of Hertzberg's theory is that it focuses on intrinsic motivation rather than just financial rewards or awards, something like that. It highlights the importance of psychological factors like recognition and achievement. The theory has also influenced many organizations to adopt job enrichment strategies. Overall, it helps managers better understanding what actually leads to employee satisfaction. Next is about the limitations of the theory. However, the theory also has some uh, 3 points, but let me explain. The difference between motivators and hygiene factors is not always clear in real situations. For example, salary can motivate some employees. Also, motivation varies from person to person. So what works for one employee may not be work for another. In addition, modern workplace also have like more complex and motivation is influenced by multiple factors. The next one is reflection using DIEP. From my own experience working in a part-time retail job, I noticed everyone uh, are in working conditions uh, like uh, what acceptable and in the tough situations, but they're not motivated. This can be explained using Herzberg's theory, where hygiene factors were present, but motivators like recognition and growth opportunities were missing. As a result, employees were not satisfied. Uh, in the future, yeah, maybe in the future, I would focus more on recognizing employees and providing opportunities for the growth. And the last but not least is a conclusion. To, of course, to conclude, Hertzberg's theory provides useful points like the frameworks for understanding workplace motivation. It shows that while salary and working conditions are important, they're not enough to motivate employees in the long term. Intrinsic factors like recognition and uh, like growth or achievement plays a major key role. Therefore, organizations should use the combinations of strategies improve employee engagement and performance. Thank you.